When you add some variegated leaves in your garden will look very beautiful and attractive. So today I will be sharing with you some of the easy to grow and also easy to maintain plants which are variegated leaves. So if you are new, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to watch the video until the end. Friends, welcome back to Tamara's First variegated leafy plant is the pandanus plant. This will decor your home. Look at the beauty of the leaves. This is so decorative, and also you can add it in your outdoor garden as an outdoor plant. This can bear any weather condition and you don't have to water them on regular basis. Only provide them the moisture in the soil, and this plant is ideal at your entrance to beautiful variegated leafy plant. So the first plant that I show you is the pandanus plant as a variegated leafy plant. Variegated leafy plant I show you is this gold dust plant. Gold dust plant also beautiful and attractive with the gold dust in them, and this is also low maintenance and permanent, and also wonderful plant for your indoor plants collection too. This plant also can be watered every alternative daily. This is another plant. Look at this variegated leafy plant. This is Ficus triangula, variegated leafy one. This is also very attractive, and you can keep it as an indoor plant as well. This plant also, once you keep it as a house plant, you need to water them on regular basis. One of the beautiful and attractive looking variegated leafy plants are these beautiful bamboo plants. These are called the lucky bamboo. You can add them in your garden as outdoor plants or best as house plants. These are also low maintenance and permanent. If you want to know more about them, I'll put the video links in the description. You can watch them after this. Variegated leafy plants are these beautiful umbrella plants. They also can be grown by stems and also loves the shade. Partial to medium sunlight is the location in your garden, but best as house plants. This is also another beautiful variegated plant. Variegated leafy plants are these beautiful spider plants. Spider plants also are looking very attractive, elegant. Not only that, they are hair purifier plants. So have them in small planters or bigger planters. They will grow really very healthily once you provide shade for them. These are also low maintenance and permanent. Leafy plants are these dwarf syngonium plants. They are also looking so elegant and fits into small planters. Saralia variety also looking so beautiful and elegant. They are also variegated plants. It's into large planters or pots. You can grow them with stems. These are neon money pothos plants, and also there is golden pothos. These variegated leafy plants are also ideal house plants, and you can keep them in a shade in your garden as well. So when you have many plants in these particular variegated type, your garden will look so elegant and beautiful.